Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you Maserati Quattroporte 2015. I'm going to change the air filter, and this procedure will work with the Ghibli, Levante. Things we need: 2 air filter, straight head screwdriver, shop vacuum, and the first thing we're going to pop open the hood. The air filters are located right in the front, one in the left and the other one on the right side, on the driver's side. So these are the clips we're going to pop open. One on this side, one on this side, and if we look on one right behind, this is the reason you need a long screwdriver. So you just do it like this. So once it's open, it will lift up. These are 2 tabs. You need to press it down. So you can press with the finger or with the screwdriver, just like this, and that will unlock. You pull this one, keep it on the side, and this is the air filter. And we're going to take this one out. And if we look at inside, look at this. All dirt, debris. So we're going to use a vacuum. This is a passenger side air filter, and on the driver side air filter. Before you open the clip, first we're going to remove the clamp on the cooling hose. With the straight screwdriver, just open it and put it on the side. We're going to open the clip. One in the front, one on the side, and one on the back. Then these 2 tabs, you need to press it down. So it unlocks it, and then you open it. And this is the air filter. So we're going to remove these air filter, and if we look at inside, it looks pretty dirty. So now we're going to use the vacuum. So we're going to make sure that we clean up all the dirt, debris with the vacuum. And this is the passenger side. So these are the old air filter, and this is the new one. So these are the old ones, and these are the new one. And now we're going to place this one. One on passenger side and one on driver's side. So now we're going to place the covers back. One tip I wanted to share with you: these 2 tabs that will go inside those 2 holes. So make sure that it goes inside the hole, and then it will sit perfectly. Once it's locked, and now we're going to make sure at the bottom went inside. Once those 2 tabs goes inside the cavity, and now we're going to place these clamps, and this is just, you press it just like this. One on the back, use the screwdriver, and that's it. Securely placed in. And the same thing on the driver's side. So that's how it's easy and simple to change your engine air filter. It's clean, no clogged up air filter. Now the engine will breathe better. So I hope this video will help you out, and if you like this video, like always, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.